Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can very easily either show or hide your caller ID with your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and don't forget to write your comments at the end of the video. So, let's get into this topic. Please open your phone settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down until you find your phone and navigate to it. After that, also scroll down a little bit until you find an item called Show My Caller ID. And if you have multiple SIM cards, the next step will ask you to select one of the SIM cards. Once you select a SIM, you will be taken to a page like this where you can either turn off or alternatively turn on your caller ID. And you can do the same thing if you go back and switch to your other SIM card, where you can also either hide or show your caller ID. Friends, this is the simple way you can show or hide your caller ID using your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please give your likes, comments, and see you soon.